if I'm a land manager, I need to make an active decision to manage that piece of land as a wilderness, right? So this is like, would you see that the rewilding is a form of land management in itself?
Yes and no. I think that I can only speak for Scotland. I think that Ireland is in a particular, in a very similar situation.
Yes.
We are starting at such a low point from an ecological point of view. We're really pretty low on the scale. So the level of de-wilding that has taken place for decades, centuries even, is to such a degree that we have to, as you say, take those decisions to intervene, to manage, to kickstart ecological processes. So yes, it is an active land management decision, you're quite right. But ultimately, I would argue that the objective in the future is to let go, or at least in part to let go, to let natural processes shape and govern the landscape. And I think that's probably what differentiates rewilding from traditional conservation. The fact that it has no predetermined outcome. There's no prescription on the table as to what that land should look like in 20, 50, 100 years. We don't know. We let nature take its course. But to arrive at that point, we have to intervene and say, okay, this is where we are. We need to take actions X, Y, and Z to allow those processes to unfold and then develop. So ultimately, I would say it's a hands-off approach without too much management. But in the short term, absolutely, it's a land management prescription.